Turn off the lights, let's hide where we are. We could survive, we could carry on. You're running out of time to try and find where you might belong. You're just getting by, but maybe you've been getting by too long. But I'd rather die than live tomorrow still afraid. Oh, and I'd rather dive into the fire than remain as a slave to the voice in my head, to the clock on the wall, to the books that we read that we'll never recall, to the time that we spend wasting moments to doubt, to the things that you said that you probably left out of discussions we had in regards to the lies that we're told to keep hold of our comfortable lives. Every poem, let it go. Sick of writing these lines if the world doesn't care if I'm wrong or I'm right. But I know that there's more to me than 9 to 5 and watching TV. That there's more to see than the bottom of this bottle when it's empty. Sick of believing we exist just to expire, when the truth is that we're living to inspire. Everything that you learned, throw it out, let it burn. Cause the way that you were living was rigid for your return to greatness. Back to basics, fuck a day shift. See through the matrix that they created to pretend you're racist, to control your wages, to untie your laces. Let's revise the pages and ignite the brain. And if we fail to awaken, I guess we'll remain. Slave to the voice in my head, to the clock on the wall, to the books that we've read that we'll never recall, to the time that we spend wasting moments to doubt, to the things that you said that you probably